Ebusiankana for no any abreno omubuofu His Excellency the President John Dramani Mahama na mamu anyhow was yen to ye. Akoba say local government appointees just ahemfoni ahema no omala ones ade bombosumi bia no ya triple no ya bohom prensa e de ama abra yintumi nurses NHS for ka abebusia komi as Ghana for e de bufu abe class with John Mahama be man chire mu no akire wadwen ama me e wo comment section ayi penya blog me la mesra say ni dem obe like video no that one subscribe button some click notification icon of latest update abe chire wadwen da ama me e wo comment section oba so a no she for anya bi ahwe Osha Ghana they say ye nyina ya tia say omani ni sika. What I say? Omani ni ye sika. De ya adwen because teachers for esu. Oba fu madwuma foforo. Nurses esu. Why ye nkro for Malibas and talent boys no for madwuma. Ye ntuo muka. Just say public servant omani di omu ko Ghana hanum se sia de kasi ye tuo muka. Sika omani be lusinya sika kuma. Because ye nyina just omani ni sika. What I say? Emma and saying teacher for quite aye demonstrations upon demonstrations. I say, omu de ni better than ya oni ahometie. Come omu sem say ya fo madwuma convention mienu nie. Dome to aduan di kran omu nya, but de bem de ni je kwa adwuma kwa class kwa chirade any ade but still what will motivate them? It doesn't come. Emma yenim de nti emma oma katua emma. Oma su esu. I'm recently brano. Teachers for coalition of unpaid teachers a demonstration mukra no almost akata to say enimu se yenya sika entua teachers for car then there's no need operating colleges in Ghana yengu no teacher training institutions Ghana hanum yengu ni nyina emom de abufuo ebe kan semwe na kenye enim se oman eni sika entina yentimi ntua omo kan kenye enim se oman ni sika ntina yentimi ntua workers ne ka no enu achi ye wa na bibi ba news ni mo you could say your local government minister Edin Sembi Abatuja awo chire mu say for all the chiefs and queen mothers in Ghana here no monthly allowances via yedema wo no aban no increase by 300%. Ya bohom prensa de ama wo mu eno na Ghana for say de na go so Ghana ha no za ahemfoni ahenema omu na etonton sase die omu na ekro ni da wo ma bam twitwa sase ton di wukosie funu a asase a ye de bam akosie odesia wo so enye free ye ton e de maw ena nkwa na nhye da ho se ena no obeto nana ye obo a obetua se obesie na kata sase no so keka wonto na ye odo obetua enye free se eske we nyina kwa ahemfunu ho mo gidi na se yes, abebo mu monthly allowance de mo ya bohom pensa de abo de Ghana for to mo ntiase. Ntom de bufuo abekasa. Na nse omu ka kire His Excellency the President on local government minister. Any appointees no ebusa esewani. Embenfo se ka akom. Ye djubako num. Ye nkotie wo mu.
Teachers. Oh, teachers. Oh.
But we still have to say the truth the hardest way. I may be harsh, but I will tell you the truth. I don't know what I'm going to say. No, I'm impeded. Sabio, ahimfo na aba ahimba na the woman they be many someone another. I'm trying to disrespect them and not be them, but. See, I came across this. Now, I want to send this message to His Excellency John Dramani Mahama and our chieftaincy ministry or whatever. Let me give this message to them. Look, I've always been someone my dream chremede and I be an day. When it comes to some chieftaincy, one more position or why it's a voluntary work or a tuwache ejuma. So you don't deserve allowances or you don't deserve salaries. Why am I saying this? When you are bachelor or hin ukrom nasa you dikruwa in sasa or in juma or so you have to benefit from those people. ahemfo bebre what tons as what chance to sell lands until that brochira and our countries I don't know, the lands belongs to the state. So ahemfo or whatever they cannot sell state and continue sell. But Ghana hano ahemfo have the right to sell lands. Into so obatna do why ahemfo and I watch ahemfo and why start what ton then they are using it to enrich themselves. Some have companies in their communities that they get royalties from to enrich themselves. And the most annoying aspect or part is that when they sell the lands, when they get the royalties, woni wona womba na woyeremo na wonuanom na webusia ketwa bi pe na wo benefit. But the entire community no ahemfo no wonfa sika no emboa community. They are always waiting on government to come and build hospitals for them, government to come and build police stations for them, government to come and build schools for them. Meanwhile, this ahemfo, they are reaping a lot from the lands, from the companies on their lands and those kind of things. And you know, when the government a triple was why allowances, and I was like, why? See, sɛ wɔbɛkyere wɔn hena a wɔhwɛ no wɔn da at least iye adwuma bi at least kakra wɔ wusɛm a wɔn mpo betum aboa community no dɛm na ɔte nti na I always say it's a voluntary work but na do and be expecting that no one ton saase na one farmer na men ton saase na mendi men yɛ dɛm no sɛ any them capability in there or betum pa aboa community na and no ahindi na read no bullshit baller only the watcher on hino kra because abada worebe boya community niska keke you are coming to benefit from the community but the community wouldn't benefit from you. How can government just triple the allowances or salaries of chiefs and queen mothers, meanwhile public servants or civil servants are suffering? They are suffering. What salaries in Obusumpo Sukrana abayim pedochia? Just recently, some teachers were doing demonstrations there. What salaries? Akim Ache. These are the same people who are protecting the country, who are raising case, teaching case, giving health, advices and health support to the people in the community. What salaries in salaries in the cra time so abayim pedochia. Why? Na coffee sikana a triple na de amahimfo. Ahimfo na ho ton saase wo kan den dwuma wo community na wo sign benefit no. E sign this kana come na one wo bre to the teacher for nurse for a police for soldier for na ade no. What the what salaries no motia naughty. Why don't you triple those people's salary rather? Honorable His Excellency na honorable a minister. Why are you guys doing that? Mama yen damu Ghana ha. De biano or mine yakechi. We are cursed as a country. Anyways, I only came to express my feelings. I didn't come here to disrespect anyone. Inti mesra him for na ba him out from the mamu family one time mamu whom de me obi a mimwade margin na mechere. A word to a wise is enough, my comedy.
Omana yitim no penifo na nye serious so. Say ahemfo ne ahema na omugu Ghana ono. Omuhu be na ye e wo say aban itimika say ye increase omu allowance ya triple. Na emeburu omu Ghana a teacher for any a nurse for any bankers near the ade what you will need to say penny na wata. Adena muba mubetna akonya na so ahwehwe ne mu ye mudesa. Sa ahemfuwe ya na emo mahini ni nye ema mo government no enye popular no. Because so if you put two heads together obi hu say sa ahemfo no nkofo bi on peso mo boa enka Ghana ye krabehwe. Ye wo ha ohene bitimi eti ho na osi wosiesie ne mpesua so na osiesie ne mpesua so nyina kama. Ye wo ahemfo ne bi so wo ho a omo de omo te da sabra na wo mo kra so da bia bagikodi emi ye da se ne agunsane ada se no ano no omo mmoa ema Ghana nye besine Ghana yendimi tutu ahemfo ne ahema ne nyina mfiri so
Emma yensa say emeshe abansa send a bear aban bit messi kunim na aban be control e won sase so yi ahemfo no an nsase ne hye won sa nti ya wo no o mampanyin wa increase o mo wa triple o mo salary no anasa allowance no emfa so de be mpa na sa ahemfo ne ahema ne de bre o man no empuntu be na se panyin di ekom e de panyin ni akoda na se aduane wo ho a wan no so didi first enye nkoda Ode Montanas na mompanish mebunu ni sa 2028 beso. Wati?
Nei 7 months muni sika no enkoe. Wo mo de bekwa kodi sa adwane de abaye nuane ama nkwada no. All in the name okoka sisia no ebeka so sika ni ho ye boaboa ye ho na ya betua. In fact, the queen mothers and the paramount chiefs omo demande wa ban ho se tumum prensa maye ana boye sika won prensa. They never said that. They never said that. Even if they had requested, say, Omala once yebetuma, Oman kasi yentumum emohom prensa. And I'm not sure, say yebenya ohine ana ohima obeya happy say, we should have enkwada wenum, emire wo school omunya aduane penny, sebe a teacher for, womunya adwuma 14-16 months ya, womaketua kura womonsanka, ne bi nso sika kamu ayentua. Na ye de beye se ye keka sika bom e de abeya nhwehwe animu abo ho prensa e de ama mo just because of ye pese ye kire bibi. What actually is happening? Financial prudence ye sika semo a ye tutu ni ye use ni ye a challenge for this country. Very, very big challenge for this country. I'm not saying say ni see a tune, but the margin of increase. Matthew, a local government minister say from 2017 womuntu munti ye babesi hano dia ye triple. Then it means say you will scapa. You will scap. So these teachers might not be crying this way. They shouldn't be crying this way. These are some of the teachers here. Rematan womu sika maye bi konkurase ba bi ya postu womu ne ade ho no monye womu tinkurase kira ade abusuani bi ani ho gombedi aden. Then we post them akoya adwuma katua ma ebi de kro mu nya ye ba ye bese o mabo adidie ni ade nyina no wa ye adwuma 14 months bi de ba 1 month pe. And abai ese oni sika kra no a wotua obetua ne prekope jefe no to fuma me oso obetua no nkakra. GES approves payment of 16 months salary arrears for newly recruited teachers to be disbursed in 4 installments. Ye bechichem atua ne nkakra. Aban kire se oni sika obetua ne prekope. But we have been able to triple allowances for over 400. You see, I'm not against it, but the margin of increase, many says our problems here cause we no. These are our traditional leaders, almost your leaders, and they will not be happy to see say, my year teacher for sofa, and kwada was secondary school near Bianini, and then we are doing this in Shishiani. Yen to 2 years kasem ye say yen nim how we plan prudently with our finances. That's the challenge of this country. Me hu say sika wo ho pa. Sika wo ho pa. She said there. Me hu say sika wo ho pa. So there is no excuse for this SHS in Kwadai say wo 7 months arrears for perishable food no. Ebekem this month by ending no enko. Yemfa nkoba omo no muntu aduane mankwada ni no muntu bi perform well e wo school no omo wase so nyefe aduane fun mankwala feli aduane fun e mankwada feli exams se munimu a aduane fun e mankwada feli because aduane na wo di na nkasa ntimi nkoya adwene ni mu adwuma yi aduane no kura anye papa aduane na wo di no wo di sun ene yam yi na chese oya wo bi na edi aduane no to no akotena classroom wo say as what nkwaso as wo mu ye slaves and the monies are not going chance for no na complaining no who says now we need to also pay these teachers. Ma installment no one cannot and may they don't pay them. Pay them all arrears na akemuno. We need to pay. Because I've seen say no we can jump steps and move. Into yenye the needful. Now kwada ye wo school no me pa. Why should this happen? That for 7 months, Sikanan koi. Meanwhile, I say get fund, be funded. Why you actually be the source of funding need be free. So why is the money not going? Oh my way no ano chese. Edru baby a one we abenya kompo.
Government triples monthly allowances for paramount chiefs and queen mothers. Local government minister. TNBM government triples monthly allowances for paramount chiefs and queen mothers. We a local government minister and this assembly to ya. Say nipa and sene hoswa dako. Obeka de yenka mi abechi nipa. Say nipa and sene hoswa dako ya no betra. Midonyame. Say nipa say yan sene hoswa dako. Ya no betra nipa bi. Ye beba bechi ya kuku. Yan hwe ya. Because said the nipa will go for when nobody paramount chiefs. Much triple woman a ketu said woman yet day allowance a woman yet day. And your woman a ton tons and sending a diedino. Ye triple woman allowance the said day. Oh woman, doctors, teachers, a co strike, nurses co strike. Galam say teachers echo demonstrations, nurses echo demonstrations just to get paid. That's how on my corner say and the one more triple paramount chiefs and queen mothers one allowance nasa be bread as ye nyansa. Na ye di adwene na nyame ma ye nyina na no ye di bu man na asa dey. Adwene nyame ma ye na no ye di bu man no. Say ye triple paramount chiefs, ye triple queen mothers, woman allowance. Say omo ye den eboa man no. Woman omo ye den eboa o man Ghana. Den wo ye. Ahemfo no den na wo ye de boa man no. E de adea. Yewura Mahama. Wo keka ko ba bi ense se wo keka du. Wo ya mamamfo ni buofu no mbetete su kokọ a kyerɛw. E ma ne nnuru saa.
Kyerɛ wa adwefo ma me e wo comment section. Ha yi PENYAH Media.